Happy Wednesday. Welcome back to Chats with Chase, and here's your next tip.
Let's take a look at some of the capabilities we have when it comes to the toolbox. In this case, we have these two flanges, which obviously need fastened together somehow. One way to do this is to come into the design library, grab my bolt, and drag it onto the holes. It'll automatically size the bolt and create the mates for us. We can always change these dimensions though to better control what bolt is placed. However, a drawback of this process is that we would need to do this for each individual bolt as well as any nut. So I'll just undo this to show what might be a better process. I'll select the face the bolts will be on and click the Smart Fasteners button. When this dialog pops up telling us that it may take some time, I'll go ahead and hit OK. It takes a few seconds to calculate, but it populates each hole on that face with a fastener. We don't want these to be a socket head cap screws though, so I'll click the fastener and change the type. I'll choose the hex bolt and it'll take a few more seconds to update in the graphics display again. To add a nut, I'll click the Add to Bottom Stack drop-down and select the hex nut. I have plenty of different options and could also add to a top stack, something like a washer for example. It takes a little bit to update again, but now I can accept this and see my smart fasteners in the tree.
Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions, and I'll see you tomorrow.